Hey guys, Levi with the Rag Company, and with me, Mr. Kyle Clark from PNS Products. Kyle's here to show us the new Inspiration Sole coating. Thanks for coming, dude. I appreciate it.
I got sole, dude.
I know, that's great. I'm excited to see this stuff. So, this is a new coating from the PNS line, part of the Inspiration line, and this is not only a standalone coating, but it's also a topper for the current Inspiration.
Exactly. So it's an annual coating.
Okay.
So you can use it as a standalone, a 1 year coating. And I really like that we're calling it an annual or a 1 year.
Yeah.
Because it's giving a baseline.
Okay.
A lot of coatings say you can last up to, this is saying, we're saying this is gonna last a year. It could last a little longer.
Yep.
But this is giving realistic results or expectations.
Yeah.
And it's a great topper to our current Inspiration coating.
Cool. So that way you can expand. You know, the Inspiration we've always known is a, but lack of a better term, a 3-year coating with more.
It's a 3-year warranty can
Okay.
be on it, but it's a 5-year coating.
Yeah.
And this is going to help us maintain it, and it's more hydrophobic.
Okay.
So this is giving us that hydrophobicity that we're going to want in that performance of a coating.
Dig it. Well, show me how to do it. We've already put Inspiration on this panel.
Yeah, so Sydney already coated this panel,
Yep.
right? And so now we've had plenty of time for it to cure.
And that's about 45 minutes or
45 minutes, yeah, is a nice time. At least 45 minutes.
Between Inspiration and Sole.
And Sole,
Okay.
all right? So you get a big bottle of Sole.
You do,
This is a 100 ml bottle.
Holy cow.
I mean, it goes.
It's enough to do everything, including your air conditioning unit, maybe your air compressor, maybe your fridge even.
And what you may notice, the smell. Go ahead and smell that.
Oh, it is minty.
Nice mint fresh.
Yeah, it's actually, you'd normally think you'd have some sort of like a solvent smell like you do with some coatings, or other coatings are really odorless. That's actually got actual mint smell.
Yeah, it's
quite nice.
It's pleasant. You know, some coatings can not be very pleasant, and some actually really love the smell as well.
Some you probably need to be wearing a respirator for.
Yeah, this one we're going to be fine. You're going to enjoy it. So you can do large sections with Sole. Okay, so you could do, as you get comfortable, you can do a door, a fender, a quarter panel, or even the entire hood before you need to start leveling it.
Okay.
And you can get away with using one towel.
Oh, nice.
One towel. It has a really nice, very prominent rainbowing when it flashes. You can see it, so you know when it's time to start doing it.
Okay.
So we're gonna do this. We're gonna go ahead and box it in here, just like I would normally like to do. And guess what? You know what? We're gonna do taillight too.
Taillight, awesome. So this is safe for all the plastics, all the trim, all the chrome.
Exactly. So I like to crosshatch.
Okay.
Really, to make sure that I've laid it down. And now we're going to enjoy and watch for it to start rainbowing. So you can see a little bit right here. We're going to take this lovely towel. You guys see it? All right, so.
And this is just a Creature edgeless that we're using.
We went over the tail light, and you know, I have huge hands.
You do.
So it's really quick and easy work for me.
So if you were to do a whole car all the way around, you could probably do this in 20, 30 minutes?
Yeah, 20 and some change, depending on the size of the vehicle.
That's easy.
This car, 20,
yeah,
for sure.
I mean, this was a crazy wipe off. Super fast.
You know, you can do all this trim here, the roof rack, everything except for the glass, right? Yeah. That's what View's for.
Yep.
Your chrome, your plastic, as long as it's all prepped and ready, go for it.
Nice. Well, that's crazy easy, crazy simple. I'm gonna put some on here because I want to do the door.
Let's do it.
Just for fun. I'll box that out, like you said, because we coated this part too.
Careful, the applicator may fly out of your hand. It's so smooth.
Yeah, I don't. It's very slippery.
I can tell by how well it flies, right?
Yeah, and this is gliding super easy all over this panel. Oh wow, you can really smell the mint now.
Yeah, as you start to load up the applicator more and more, you're going to enjoy that smell.
Well, I'll take your towel since we've already used one. So not a long time to really let this
No,
stuff
just watch it.
off.
I mean, you can see right here, it's starting to rainbow a little.
Yeah.
It's kind of telling us right here for sure.
Yeah. So once we get to that point,
then
we want to start our.
It's a nice warm day.
Yeah.
So it's
We're
working
about,
quickly.
I think we're in our 80s right now here in the building. So. Yeah, it's crazy, the wipe off. I mean, there's like no streaking or any of the excess product that you're worried about.
As long as you pay attention to watching the flash time,
Yeah.
I don't think you're going to run into those issues.
Okay.
You can take your time. You don't have to rush it,
Yeah.
but also, enjoy it. This can actually be pretty fun doing.
Yeah, that's crazy easy. And it is really slick.
So now we need to give it 12 hours.
Okay. Before we get it wet,
Before we get
pull
it wet.
out or any of that
Exactly.
kind of stuff.
Yep,
So,
exactly.
Okay. Well, that was awesome, Kyle. I really appreciate you showing us that. You'll be able to buy this product right from us, theragcompany.com. And Kyle, thank you for coming and doing this.
Thanks for having me, Levi.
Also, you're going to get to see some sweet beading shots, so stay tuned. And as always, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for more videos, stay tuned right here, the Rag Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.